In this video, we will use our calculator to approximate the output of an inverse trigonometric function. So whenever it comes to using our calculator, we need to be sure that we know of a few keys. One, we need to know of the Drg key. So this key will help us choose what mode our calculator is in. So we could be in degree mode or radian mode based upon that button. And that button's output will be on this screen as a Dr or G. Then we also need to know how to use the second button. And then above the sine, the cosine, and the tangent, you'll notice the arc sine, arc cosine, and arc tangent buttons. And those are accessed by pressing second, and then sine would give you arc sine. Second, cosine will give you arc cosine. Second, tangent will give you arc tangent. Then you will be sure to put in your input using your number keys, closing the parenthesis, and then pressing the enter button. So if we are going to look at arc sine of 0.85, we want to make sure that our calculator is in radian mode, and then we will press second sine 0.85 and close the parenthesis on the function. So I've done a video of me using the calculator. And the first thing that I want us to notice is that our calculator is in degree mode. So the first thing that we will do is we will change this to radian mode. To do that, we will first press the degree radian button and change the mode, and then press enter. Now notice that our calculator is in radian mode. Now we will press the second button followed by sine to access the arc sine function. Then we will input 0.85 and then close the parentheses. And then we will press enter. And rounding to 2 decimal places, we see that our answer is approximately 1.02. Now this answer is in radians. Now we'll look at our next example where we will use the arctangent feature. So the first thing that we will do is we will notice that we are in degree mode again, so we will go ahead and change this to radian mode. Now you can see again that we are in radian mode. Then we will press the second button followed by tangent. We will input the 0.26 and then close the parenthesis, and therefore we will have our answer once we press enter. And so our answer, rounded to 2 decimal places, is 0.25, and that is in radians.